Are you looking for something different for your table designs? Alberto from Sempertex is back and he shows us how to make this lovely design. Hello, Greg from Balloon Market here and welcome to BMTV, where, as you can see, Alberto Falcone from Sempertex is here again. Hello.
Hello.
Peace.
Yeah, peace.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Everything is good. To be here, especially to be here.
It must be awesome for you.
It's good. Yeah.
I'm glad.
I'm fine, and I cannot wait to show off this design.
I have to say, the shows we've filmed already, I've really enjoyed, and
Okay.
I think it's spectacular what you're able to do. So I'm intrigued as to what you're going to do next.
We do a small design. Is something that you can use as a present, or even if you have to decor a table.
Yeah.
It's not exactly a centerpiece because it's too big to be a centerpiece.
Okay.
Cover the view.
But if you had a cake table or something like that at a
Yeah,
wedding or
exactly.
something like that.
In this case, can be very useful. And you can just change the message, because I will use also an 18-inch foil.
Okay.
You just change the message, and you can use for several and different occasions.
Of course. Yeah. Okay, let's go.
Okay, we start by covering this cake base.
Yep.
That it's about 25 centimeters. And I use the 18-inch to cover it, but I need to use it very stretched. So I have to inflate it tall, mostly all, maybe more. And then I can use to cover this cake board. This is a very traditional and
I love this
quite
technique.
famous
I like
technique
this.
to do it. But before to do it, I have to put inside, like this is some notes over each other, done with a 260. But you can also use a small plastic ball. I normally use some really small bean.
Okay.
Yeah, because they're hard and the shape is perfect.
Okay.
So I put it inside. And then I use the 18-inch to cover it. So you have to push it, and at the same time you have to leave the air come out from the 18-inch until the moment that all it will be covered, the color you prefer.
So you want the bean to be in the middle?
Yeah, exactly in the middle. You can also move later.
Okay.
As you prefer. In this case, is already quite good as a position. You can cut the neck of this 18-inch, and then you can pinch this bean or this resin twist, technically.
Yeah.
And tie it with a piece of 260, uninflated, of course. Just wrap around a few times, and then finally you can finish the knot. And do a double knot is better. So in this way, you can create this attachment exactly in the middle of the cake base. I don't need all, so I can cut. And here I can start to put my composition.
All right.
The first is a 5 balloon cluster, and I do it by using 5-inch fuchsia this time.
Fuchsia.
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 Oh, sorry. In Italian, it's fuchsia.
Okay.
So fuchsia.
Fuchsia.
Interesting.
So what size are you doing those two?
The size is about 3.5 inch.
Okay.
About. I need a 5 balloon cluster. So before I do the 3 balloon cluster, and then I add a doublet to this.
Okay.
And I can tie it directly to the cake base by using the attachment I created before.
Yeah.
So
that's a really good technique.
Wrapping around, that's enough to open the cluster.
Yeah.
To continue, we need 2 apple twists.
Okay.
And I do it by using a 12-inch pink. I need to have it as stressed as possible. So I normally use the time I use for the apple twist, and I use 3 times before. I show you maybe better than explain. So I inflate 3 times, then I deflate it, and then 1 time to do the distortion.
The actual thing, okay.
In this way, I'm sure that I will have the 2 apple twists the same size. That's important. But before to do it, I have to use a piece of 260 or 360 as you prefer, and push inside together the note. So I pinch to the other side, both of them, the neck and the 260, and then I tie it by using another piece of 260.
Okay.
Sorry, it was too short. So in this way I have a double attachment, and I can fix it very well with the base.
So you didn't need to put another raisin in there?
No, no raisin. This is a different kind of distortion. It's not a raisin.
Yeah, no, I know, but just you didn't need to because you got that there. You just twist it.
It's the neck that I pinch and twist.
Okay.
Yeah. So here I already tie them together as tight as possible, and so I have already the two apple twists together, and I can tie directly to the base as tight as possible. So I have to pull very well in this way.
Yep.
I pull it and then I wrap it around just to fix it as much as possible.
And you want these to be as round as possible, as donut-like as possible.
Exactly.
Okay.
Here I have a kind of mechanic I can cover by using 260.
Yeah.
Just inflate it, the size longer that I will need, like this is okay. I start normally with a pinch twist, exactly here. And then I use the pinch twist to twist or to tie the ring.
Yes.
All around. And it must be a little bit tight, not too much, but a little bit, just to be sure that it is really
touching
fit,
both balloons.
fit well. And normally I twist the pinch twist inside, and I don't need the rest, so I can deflate the rest, and I can cut off here.
Perfect.
Okay, in this way. Now I can continue. I need another cluster, exactly like the first I have done before.
Okay.
So it's a 5 balloon cluster.
Yep.
And I tie it on the top by using the attachment I created by doing the distortion before. Just tie in this way. So it looks like a kind of sandwich.
It's a really good solid way of attaching
it's
things.
Solid.
Yeah,
it must be solid, but to be solid you have also to tie the things together as tight as possible. That's quite important. So on the top here you can finish with the, in this case is another time for the mom.
Yeah.
And is a heart. You can also use the 18-inch round shape, is okay too. What I have done here is create this attachment by using a piece of 260, and I have used the stretchy balloon tape to tie on the top. It's very strong.
I couldn't even see it. I was wondering how you did it, but you've just put the stretchy balloon tape. Yeah.
So it is enough strong for what I have to do.
Yeah.
And now I can just tie it. Yeah, I need just a piece of, maybe this is better. And normally I don't wrap around the valve, but I just make this loop around the valve in this way, and then I use the valve and the 260 and I make a knot together.
Because that's going to be hidden. Nobody's going to see that anyway, are they? So.
Yeah, exactly. So I can tie it on the top.
That's really nice and secure in there. That's not going to flop down.
No, it's stable.
Yeah.
It's stable. Also because we put this cake base that gives stability, of course.
Okay.
Now we can finish it by using another small cluster. It can be also, I don't know if I have, no, it's okay. Fuchsia. Fuchsia, okay. This time is just a 4 balloon cluster.
Okay.
I don't need to have a 5 balloon cluster. No, honestly, I need a 4 balloon cluster. And now I will show you why. So I twist together the doublets and I can tie this cluster on the top. And this will be the right position. So it's not exactly flat, is a little bit in this way, like not in the same level. I don't know how to explain.
Uneven.
This. Yeah, even because we have the shape of the hearts.
Yeah.
So it follows this.
Okay.
And I can use this to put on the top some stick like this. I need 2 of them, no? And I can cover them with a 360. In this way. So I give them the color I prefer, in this case is pink. Yeah. I can cut the rest of this neck, and this can be fixed
look at that.
In this way, between the clusters, the cluster. And I can also use this neck to wrap around to fix it better.
Alberto, why do you want a stick?
Yeah, because I want to create something different and special, and I have already done with this stick. You can hang, for example, this flower, kind of flower.
I thought you were just going to put the stick there.
Any other object, if you want, can be paper, can be something like this. So you can have something that play around the balloon, around the message. And in this case, the flower fit very well with the occasion.
Yeah, that's very different.
So you can do this in this way and cross them.
I mean, that would probably just stay in there like that.
Yeah.
You don't even need to tie it in. That's very different.
Yeah, it's a little bit different. Can be good also as a present to the mom.
And of course, you can have different color flowers or different, as you say,
any other occasion.
Yeah?
Any other occasion, and can be also the round shape on the top.
Yeah. Alberto, that is fantastic. Let's move that to the middle so everybody can see you. Now, as a guest on BMTV, guess what? You get to ask everybody the question of the week.
Okay. I have a question. Okay. Do you prefer fuchsia or fuchsia? Sorry.
English or Italian? What do you prefer? I think your way probably sounds better. Whatever you say sounds better just because you've got the Italian accent. Anyway, Alberto, thank you so much for that. And thank you, everybody, for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't, please do. And hit that bell icon. And that way, you'll be notified every time we upload a new show. Check us out on Instagram and check us out on TikTok, where the fun stuff occasionally happens. From myself and Alberto, stay happy. See you next time. Bye.